Greetings family, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is well during this pandemic. We have a CarbonNation update today. It's been quite a while. When last we checked on the CarbonNation community, Nature Boy had recently had a situation in Hawaii in which the whole community had been arrested. Okay, but in this particular instance, they have since been freed. They are back to the business of organizing their community. And recently, Nature Boy has spoken out against Megan Thee Stallion, and he is in defense of Torey Lanez. Alright? Nature Boy is now speaking on the Torey Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion situation. And he is saying that now he feels inclined to break his silence immediately after the release of Torey Lanez's album. Well, basically, Nature Boy is of the position that Torey Lanez has been framed, and he feels that it is due to a media culture that is demonizing black men. In this particular instance, he is saying that in his mind, black women are being used against black men to destroy their reputation and their career. And I don't know if the brother really gave a lot of consideration to the implications of these types of statements. I think it was a very premature thing to say. And I think it is disrespectful to the plight of women who always find that their pleas are not considered to be true, who find that their pleas are oftentimes ignored and downplayed. Okay, and in the situation with the sister, she said she was shot. Okay, none of us were actually privy to her medical records. None of us examined her foot on the night of the incident. People are just making a lot of assumptions based on the brother making some songs claiming innocence. We can't just base what we're saying on what a person has in their lyrical content in an album. Okay, because ultimately the statements that Megan Thee Stallion made were actually made publicly, and they weren't on an album. They were just on a series of live streams which weren't necessarily promoting her income or raising her revenue. But Nature Boy is of the position that, like many other black stars, they feel that people are putting certain people in their close proximity in order to destroy their credibility in the public eye. And I think the brother should have stayed out of it. I actually tried my best to stay out of it because I don't think my opinions will affect the situation one way or the other. Because I think a situation like that is one that the courts need to resolve, and that they need to resolve between them, man to woman. And so just wanted to update the family. Brother Nature Boy is speaking out, and he feels that Torey Lanez is being scapegoated by the media. Alright, we shall wait and see what the ultimate outcome is from all of this, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below about all of these dynamics. One love.